Welcome to the video number 2 of Molecular Biology series MCQs. In this video, I will discuss another 15 most important questions starting from 16 to 30. So keep watching this video till end for better preparation. Question number 16. Which nitrogen base is absent in RNA? Adenine, cytosine, thymine, guanine. So correct answer is option C. Thymine is absent in RNA. In place of thymine, uracil is present. Question number 17. The codon AUG specifies which amino acid: methionine, valine, tyrosine, phenylalanine. So correct answer is option A. Codon AUG specifies initiation codon methionine. Question number 18. A gene that takes part in the synthesis of polypeptide chain is called structural gene, regulator gene, operator gene, promoter gene. So correct answer is option A. Structural gene takes part in the synthesis of polypeptide chain. Question number 19. The DNA acts as a template for the synthesis of DNA, RNA, both DNA and RNA protein. So correct answer is option C. DNA acts as a template for the synthesis of both DNA and RNA. Question number 20. Code transfer for the synthesis of polypeptide chain involve DNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA, and then messenger RNA. First of all, messenger RNA, then transfer RNA, then ribosomal RNA and DNA. Transfer RNA, DNA, messenger RNA, and ribosomal RNA. DNA at first, then messenger RNA, then transfer RNA, and then amino acid. So correct answer is option D. कि जो कोड ट्रांसफ़र होता है सबसे पहले डीएनए से आरएनए से ट्रांसफ़र आरएनए एंटीकोडॉन लाता है और फिर ट्रांसफ़र आरएनए जो है वो स्पेसिफिक अमीनो एसिड पिक करता है। तो इस तरह कोड जो है वो ट्रांसफ़र होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। Question number 21. The nonsense codon take part in terminating message of gene-controlled protein synthesis. Option B. Formation of unspecified amino acid. Option C. Conversion of sense DNA into nonsense one. Option D. Releasing transfer RNA from the polypeptide chain. So correct answer is option C. Nonsense codon takes part in converting sense DNA into nonsense one. Question number 22. The operon model of gene regulation was proposed by Michelson and Stahl, Wilkins and Franklin, Beadle and Tatum, Jacob and Monod. So correct answer is option D. Operon model of gene regulation was proposed by Jacob and Monod. Question number 23. Frame shift mutation occurs when base is deleted or added. Base is added or base is deleted. Anticodon are not present. So correct answer is option A. Whenever any base is deleted or added or addition or deletion of a base results in frame shift mutation. Question 24. The DNA as a chemical basis of heredity were discovered by Hershey and Chase, Griffith and Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy, Watson and Crick. So correct answer is option C. Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy discovered that DNA is a chemical basis of हेरिडिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी की पहली वीडियो नहीं देखी तो वो वीडियो भी देख लें, उसका लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. द रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ अ प्यूरिन बेस विद अनदर प्यूरिन बेस इज सोमैटिक म्यूटेशन, addition mutation, deletion mutation, substitution mutation? So correct answer is option D. The replacement of a purine with another purine base is known as substitution mutation. Question number 26. The Barbara McClintock is famous for her work on rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane. So correct answer is option C. Barbara McClintock discovered the jumping genes in maize. So correct answer is option C. That's why he was famous. Question number 27. The central dogma of modern biology is आरएनए से प्रोटीन का बनना, प्रोटीन से डीएनए का बनना, डीएनए से आरएनए का बनना, आरएनए से प्रोटीन का बनना, आरएनए then डीएनए then प्रोटीन. None of these. So correct answer is option B. डीएनए जो है वो इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड करके आरएनए को देता है और आरएनए फिर क्या करता है, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस को कंट्रोल करता है. तो करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो बी है. Question number 28. Polypeptide chain in eukaryotes is initiated by which codon? Glycine, leucine, methionine, lysine. So correct answer is option C. Methionine is a initiation codon and its code is AUG, and it is involved in initiation of polypeptide chain or protein synthesis in eukaryotes. Question number 29. The triplet code UUU code for amino acid leucine, methionine, phenylalanine, glycine. So correct answer is option C. Triple U codon codes for amino acid phenylalanine. Question number 30. The supercoiled DNA occurs in prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. Prokaryotes only, eukaryotes only, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Supercoiled DNA mean double-stranded DNA is present in prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. तो ये थे 15 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी. अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को भी लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे.